Hey everyone, welcome to The Market Made. I'm Jess M. This week I am publishing several mini videos about DIY holiday decor leading up to Christmas. So this one is actually about making DIY farmhouse Christmas wreaths. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Market Made channel and click on the notification button to stay up to date on all my content. You can also follow me on social media at The Market Made or check out my website, themarketdesigns.com. All right, let's get back to it. The farmhouse style is fairly self-explanatory. It's basically what would you find in a farmhouse or what would you find in a barn that you could turn into home decor. So I made a few wreaths that I think are really easy and cozy, and you could find them in a farmhouse. First up, Snowflake. This tutorial is so easy, you could do it with your kids. Like, super easy. You basically take a wood needlepoint hoop and add some fabric. I use some pearl beads to make a 3D snowflake with some floral wire. I hot glued the pieces to the fabric and glued some extra pieces to cover the wire and add more dimension to the wreath. I like this a lot and it's super quick and easy. To make it more farmhouse, personally what I would do is instead of using pearl beads, I would use wood beads because I think that would make it a little bit more rustic. But without further ado, check it out. Second, home on the range. I did the same thing as last tutorial. I took a wood needlepoint hoop and I slapped some fabric on it. I drew a home on the range scene onto the fabric with a Sharpie and hot glued some gold beads to act as stars. I had some extra garland that was dusted with fake snow, and I hot glued those pieces onto the wood hoop. I took some cotton twine and wrapped it around to use it as a hook for hanging, but you could also finish it off with a bow. I had some excess off-white yarn that I pulled apart to imitate snow and hot glued it down. Once again, super easy DIY farmhouse wreath, and it's really good for kids, especially if your kids are creative and like drawing. I really like this one and I had a lot of fun making it. Third, sweater weather. Do you have a bulky scarf you never use or wear? Make it into a wreath. You simply wrap the scarf around a metal hoop and add some cool ribbon. I selected with some mousse on it because who doesn't love mousse? You can also add some faux branches or real ones into the folds of the scarf without having to tie them down or hot glue them. And boom, you're done. If you want to get more technical with it, you could always take some starch spray and spray the scarf to get a little bit more structure to it. This wreath seems too easy to be true, but it was just that. It was extremely easy to make and I really like this. Check out my wreath. I usually only do 3 videos per segment. However, I came up with this idea last minute and I thought for the farmhouse idea, you guys would really like it and I wanted to include it. So, bonus video. Here's how to make a DIY farmhouse shooting star. Get some floral wire that is more accessorized, like this woven floral wire I had on hand. You make 5 folds of equal sizes, then cut the wire. You fold it into a star and you can either tie it off or hot glue it closed. I use corded white and gold ribbon to wrap around and help hold it all in place. However, you could also just hot glue the points in the middle that are crossing to keep its structure. I used some mini gold garland and ribbon to mimic the shooting star trail. I did this by pretty much hot gluing everything together. And voila, a super easy, fun farmhouse DIY shooting star. I hope you enjoyed these super quick and easy DIY tutorials. If you do have questions or comments about this tutorial, please comment below, or if you need help with figuring out how to customize your design, just let me know. I got you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the Market Made channel. And as always, thank you once again for tuning in and joining me today. It was great. I had a blast making these. Enjoy this wonderful holiday season. Stay safe and remember to mask up. Bye.